Welcome on board for the orientation program. Certified Financial Modeling Professional, one of the very technical course for finance accounting professionals. So I am telling it as a technical course because that is a hands-on exercise required for becoming the expert on this particular area, like financial modeling. And it will be very much case-based or simulation-based program. So you will be able to design or develop the different financial model for your organization once you are, expert on this particular area. So we will be talking about the course introduction, the institute introduction, how the course will be operated, how the assessment will be done, what are the learning points you will be gaining from this course. So all these things will be discussed today. And of course, if there is any question from your side, we will try to answer those questions as well. So this is 𝗟𝗼𝗿𝗶𝗿. I'm working with this World Academy as Vice President. I'll be taking around 15 to 20 minutes time for this presentation. And after that, we can have question and answer if you have. So let me share my screen. I'm sure my screen is also visible now. So welcome once again to the orientation program by World Academy. World Academy is one of the very prominent professional education and professional certification institute based in United Kingdom. Our motto is shaping expertise, nurturing ambitions, and elevate your potential. So always we beside the professionals for developing their competencies and potentiality. We are UK-based organization. We do have our UK Register of Learning Providers number as well. We are ISO certified organization. We have a couple of ISO certification like 21001, 17024, 30414, 40180. So these are a couple of ISO certifications for us. The impact on global landscape, we have presence in 65 plus countries and 200 plus programs from academic to certified. So a big portfolio of our programs. Our alumni size is 30,000 plus, and we do have our presence from 65 plus countries. 132 instructors from 14 countries are associated with us. 30% of our alumni hold C-suite roles. That means majority of our alumni are having a very big role, mid to senior level. 95% course completion rate at first attempt. So we are very much, the learning focus, the learning process of World Academy is very suitable for the delegates so that they can learn and they can qualify their first attempt as well. Why this is the right choice? Because one of the largest professional certification institute based in UK, globally accepted credential, affordable fees. You can compare with any of the organizations in the world and you'll find our fees are very much affordable. Flexible payment plan. You can have a payment plan as well. Wide range of programs covering all professional areas, wherever you are working, whether in finance, accounts, or supply chain, or project management, or HR, you will find some courses which are suitable for these professionals. 150 plus certified programs. We have 150 plus certified programs, 30 plus master's level programs, 40 plus diploma level programs, user-friendly learning management system for easy learning. And we're issuing the credential badge or digital badge by credly.com. It's the concern of Pearson Education Group. Our global affiliation, accredited institute by NQL. NQL is a Ofqual regulated awarding body in United Kingdom. Also approved center by Ofqual regulated organization, Institute of Financial Accountants, IFA, which is a UK-based membership organization for public accountants. And there is also a group of Institute of Public Accountant, which is UK and Australia, based in UK and Australia both. So IPA group, they are the the public accountants are the member for this group. So this organization also recognize us, endorse us for our programs like Certified Professional Accountant, CPA. This program has been endorsed by UK. We are the accredited institute by 𝗖𝗲. 𝗖𝗲 is a of-qual regulated health and safety, occupational health and safety related organization. So they also accredited our institute, and also they endorsed one program, 𝗖𝗲 Certified Health and Safety Professional. So that is the program they endorsed for us. We are the approved center by Cambridge Academy of Professionals. A majority of our certified credentials are coming from Cambridge Academy of Professionals UK. Approved center by Prof Qual UK for our diploma programs. We are getting this certification from there. Approved center by Board of HR certification. Some of our HR certifications are coming from there. Approved provider of 𝗟𝗲𝗿𝗲. So we are also working with these three giant organizations, which are US based, and we are SHRM academically aligned institute. We are the accredited institute by International Professional Accreditation Council, which is Singapore-based organization, and we are the member for CPT Group UK. So these are our global affiliation for World Academy. So you can see that we are associated with a couple of organizations in the areas of general education or HR or finance or health and safety. So in different areas. Our mission 2030, we set a mission for World Academy. So we tell it as mission 2030 to become the #1 professional certification institute in the world, having presence in 100 countries. So that will be accomplished by 2030. And with the blessing of Almighty and all our stakeholders' cooperation, we are very much on track. And we are hopeful that we can achieve it by 2028 even. So recently we did some, convocations or certificate awarding ceremony for us, graduation ceremony. And we did it in Kenya, in Uganda, in Tanzania. So this is the awarding program, certificate awarding program for Kenya. You see a couple of graduates are there, 100 plus. So we have this program in August. At the same time, we also had a global professional summit in Kenya, physical conference in Kenya as well. Then we did have our graduation ceremony in Uganda. Our roughly 100 plus delegates from Uganda, the graduates, attended the program. And also we had, that is also in August, also we had a conference, International People's Summit 2025. That is also in Uganda. Then we had our graduation ceremony in Tanzania also in August again. So in 10 days time, we organized these three programs in three countries, three graduation ceremony, and that is the summit or conference, Global Professional Summit 2025 in Tanzania. So these are very recent activities, our graduation ceremony and also some professional summits or conference in different countries. The program why we're here today, Certified Financial Management, as well as is the modeling, right? Just a minute, please. Financial modeling professional. Sorry for this typo. So let me correct it. Financial modeling. Okay, so this program, Certified Financial Modeling Professional, it is validated and quality assured by Cambridge Academy of Professional UK. So the certification from jointly with Cambridge Academy and World Academy. That is the digital badge you'll be receiving from World Academy, the Certified Financial Modeling Professional, and the badge will be issued by Credly. There is the sample certificate and transcript. So you will get both. In the transcript, you will find the module names and the competencies achieved. And the certificate will utter this title, professional title, certified financial modeling professional. Okay, so that is what you will receive. The features: 4 months duration, live online class through Zoom like today, class on every Saturday, free books and materials you will find and you will get it, and live interaction through learning management system. Why World Academy CFMP? Job oriented learning. You will find job oriented learning, focus on competency framework, extensive practice during the course. So you will get, some activities or assignments, caseworks during the course period. Simulation exercises, there will be equipped with tools and formats. Couple of formats and templates can be shared with you, those who are relevant. Global resources will take the program, take the classes. The learning portfolio of CFMP, there are 8 practical modules. For each module, there are 3 competencies, so total 24 competencies. For each module, there are 3 learning objectives, so total 24 learning objectives. For each module, there are 10 guided questions, so total 80 guided questions. And 8 live sessions, 8 group activity. So these are the learning portfolio for CFMP. If anyone is attending this program and completed it successfully, they must go through all this portfolio. The class management procedures, how we manage administer, total 8 modules, 8 sessions, 1 session per week. In every Saturday, there will be 2 hours session, and there will be review and question answer. Class recording we shall provide for a certain time. Class material will be shared within 1 to 2 days time. All will be shared through the learning management system. Class notification and exam notification will be shared through WhatsApp group as well. Due to trainer's emergency, if any, we may reschedule the class, but make sure that the class will not be scheduled on any other day except Saturday. All materials will be shared through the learning management system, and attendance will be recorded. So during the session, use your full name so system can detect your attendance. The assessment part, how it will be done. There will be a couple of items: final exam, in-course assignment, and capstone project. For final exam, there will be 50 multiple choice question. Each question carries 2 points or 2 marks, so total 100 marks. Duration is 60 minutes. Total marks is 100, passing marks is 70%. And there is an opportunity to attend a makeup exam free at cost. So first attempt is inbuilt with the course, the fees is included. For the second attempt, that is also free at cost. For third onwards, if you need it, you need to pay $15 per attempt. The assignment, there will be pre-course assignment which will be available by tomorrow, day after. There is no connection between pre-course assignment and assessment. However, in course assignment, there will be 3 assignments. So you need to qualify separately for these 3 assignments, which you need to contain 70% marks. And then the capstone project, total marks is 300, passing marks is 70% again. Then the assessment framework, the total thing what we have discussed till now, total thing is here. Pre-course, there is no marks. In-course assignment, per assignment 100, total 3 assignments, so total 300 marks. Final assignment or capstone project, 1 single project contains 300 marks. And final exam, which will be multiple choice question based, total is 100 marks. So these are the assessment framework. Course administration, the certificate part, how do we do? Electronic certificate and digital badge you will receive within 7 working days after publishing the result. And printed certificate we used to send 4 times a year. So after your result publications, the next available slot will be booked for your certificate sending. Now coming to the program insights. What is the program? How it will be beneficial for you. So here you can see the sentence: by mastering Excel-based techniques and best practices, learner will gain the ability to analyze financial statement, forecast business performance, conduct the scenario analysis, and perform business valuation. So in different aspects, you will have the idea, you will have the capacity or expertise to analyze it, and try to develop different models, financial models for your organization, maybe in different aspects as well. So the objective: understand the principle and use cases of financial modeling, develop a strong command of Excel for financial analysis and model creation, analyze and interpret financial statements effectively, forecast revenue, cost, and operating expenses using drivers. So you can see these are the objectives. That means after successful completion, you will be able to do it. So now here you can see in the second part, third objective, analyze and interpret the financial statement effectively. So if you can analyze the financial statement and can interpret it, what it tells us, what the number talks, that will be much more beneficial for the organizations to control the financial management in the coming months. Then forecast revenue, cost, and operating expenses using the drivers, construct depreciation and capex models with accuracy, build a fully integrated three-statement financial model, conduct scenario and sensitivity analysis for decision making, perform business valuation using DCF methods. So these all are very, very handy and very, what can I say, very practical oriented more objectives on the modules as well. So the delegates will be joining this program. They must learn about it. The learning outcomes: build financial models using structured Excel-based techniques, interpret and model historical and forecasted financial data, apply business logic to revenue, cost, and OPEX forecast. So these are 10 learning outcomes for the entire course. You can go through and you will find it how old the course is. Now let me go to the module. There are 8 modules I told you. So module-wise, couple of explanations I want to provide. First module, introduction to financial modeling and Excel best practices. So what are the objectives? Understand what financial modeling is. You learn Excel interface, shortcuts, and efficiency tools, and establish model hygiene and version controls earlier. And you will be learning these competencies: Excel modeling discipline, efficiency in Excel navigation, and modeling hygiene and documentation. So these are the 3 competencies connected with module 1. For the module 2, understand the 3 key financial statements, then analyze how financial statements interconnect, and interpret and extract key insights from annual reports. The competencies: financial statement fluency, accounting logic application, ratio-based analysis. So these are the 3 competencies will be connected with module 2. For the module 3, building the revenue and cost model. So very important for any organization for this cost efficiency. So what are the objectives? Build a robust driver-based revenue and cost forecast. Understand unit economics and their business impact, and create flexible, scalable forecasting models. Very important part for financial analysts or for financial managers. So you need to understand how the cost model works. What are the competencies? Driver-based forecasting, unit economics modeling, sensitivity simulation. So these are the competencies you will achieve after this program. Then module 4, building the operating expenses and depreciation model, forecast operating expense, model capital expenditure, improve accuracy in long-term budgeting. So these are the objectives for this module. And then the competencies are OPEX categorization and planning, how to do it. You will learn this. Depreciation schedule modeling and capex and asset tracking. So these are the 3 competencies for module 4. Module 5, building the integrated financial statement, the 3-statement model. So link income statement, balance sheet, and cash flow statement. So how to link it? Master the mechanics of indirect cash flow modeling and ensure model balance and structural integrity. That means all these 3 items of the financial statements, you will have the capacity to learn it, to analyze it, to pick the next task from there, etc. So what are the competencies? Model integration mastery, working capital forecasting, and model balancing and error tracking. So these are the 3 competencies connected with module 5. For module 6, scenario and sensitivity analysis. The objective is add flexibility and decision-making capability to the model. So model will be tested in different aspects and with the different data, with the different vibes, and then we will understand that whether how can we make sure the sensitivity is perfect. Model-based best and worst case business outcomes and evaluate operational and financial risk to the data table. The competencies: scenario management techniques, data table and switch control, risk-based decision modeling. So these are the three competencies for this module. And then the module 7, business valuation using DCF model. Very important, discounted cash flow model. So apply DCF methodology to value a company using the model, understand and model terminal value drivers, calculate intrinsic value with expertise and equity valuation. What are the competencies? Valuation methodology mastery, 𝗟𝗲 discounting, and then terminal value estimation. So that means if you perfectly learn from the module 7, you'll be able to do the valuation for a company. Maybe 100% perfect, may not be, but still there is an option to have the upgradation or modification part. Objective, apply DCF methodology to value a company using the model, understand and model terminal value drivers, calculate intrinsic value with enterprise or equity valuation. And the competencies, valuation methodology mastery, 𝗟𝗲 discounting, and terminal value estimation. So these are the competencies you will be learning from module 7. And the last module is final project and case study. How you can integrate your learning from all these modules, and how can you integrate it in a small scale luggage. So the all the learnings from these 7 modules you will be integrating. You will be integrating with each other, so that it will be a comprehensive. That will be in the financial project. So in the module 8, our instructor will give you the clue how you can do this project work, and then of course after that you need to submit the capstone project. So that is the module 8, which can ensure the integration of all of your learning. Apply all concepts in a project, prepare model for presentation to stakeholder, and audit models for consistency. So these are the 8 modules which will be very, very relevant to the finance and accounting professionals for getting the expertise, how to analyze and how to forecast and how to build the financial model for different organizations. So that is very, very important for the professionals, finance and accounting professionals. So once you understand, once you learn this very perfectly, then you can be able to develop financial model for your company. So the total course phases: phase 1 is pre-course, phase 2 is attend the regular session, phase 3 is final assignment, and phase 4 is online badge and certification celebration. That's it from my side. Now the house is open for the questions if you have any. Regarding course administration, regarding course curriculum, regarding any other parts. Okay, if not, the class will be starting, the notification for the first class. The class will be starting from 11th of October. 11th October, the first session. So tomorrow you will get the pre-course assignment in the portal. You need to submit before 11 October. Okay. Any more question?
Hello.
Yes, please.
Excuse me. I have a question.
Please proceed.
Yes, you said we are going to run 3 hours per day,
2 hours per day.
2 hours per day, and we are going to run 4 months.
Total 4 months, but class will be 8 classes. So there will be gaps in between because of the assignment or some exam preparation, etc.
All right. I was thinking that she's going to be short, like 8 modules, 2 hours per day, 4 months. I was thinking she's going to be short, not enough time to run and go. Yep.
Actually, to be honest, yes, you are very correct that if it could be done in 1 year time, then it will be much more better for all the delegates. But unfortunately, I mean, we need to go with the middle way. Some people do not have that much time as well, but some people having plenty of times. But there will be option for self exercise and self study. So if anyone is interested, they can study a lot. And then if there is any doubt on any other areas, you can come to the next class and ask the instructor about your problem. No worries.
All right. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much. Thank you. Any other question from anyone?
Hi, Rubak. Question. Oh, go ahead.
Yes, please. Kate. Kate, you can
Hi.
proceed and then Isaro will do.
Oh, great. Thanks, Rubak. Good presentation. I think the course content looks pretty interesting. I have one question. So actually two. So one, after classes, will we have access to the recordings, for instance, just in case we want to like refer back to some of the course material we have? And then secondly, maybe I'm jumping the gun, but what's the method of administration of the exam? I assume it will be virtual, but how will it be proctored?
No, it is not proctored. It is fully self-paced, and then you will get the access to the portal. You can log into the portal and you can give the exams. It is not proctored exam. It is an open book exam.
Okay, great. Thanks.
Thank you very much. Isaro, please.
Hi everyone. I think Kate, I've already asked a question. Thank you.
Okay, thank you very much. Thank you.
So you missed the material sharing part.
Okay, so the material will be shared through learning management system within 1 to 2 days time. The material will be uploaded in the system. You can download it from there, and the class recording will also be visible there.
Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you. So if you do not have any other question, you can conclude it here today. So the couple of points. Number one point is the notification for the first class. It will be starting from 11th of October. Second point is the assessment contains you need to attend the final exam. You need to submit in-course assignment and you need to submit capstone project. And third point is for every part, you need to qualify at the rate of 70% passing marks. Then next important point is you will get the class recording so you can review it. Next important point is the total duration is 4 months. However, there will be 8 live sessions. Every session will be on Saturday, not necessarily consecutive all Saturdays. There will be a couple of Saturdays will be gap for preparation of the assignment or exams or any other part. But altogether, it is a 4 months journey. And there will be material like books or any other study material for self-study purposes. So that's about the important notes from this entire program. So I'm sure that this is a pretty OD for the professional value for money. So if you feel that the course is really you know the curriculum right now very detailed. I try to talk. So if you feel that yes, the course curriculum and then the content what we are covering that is very much important and worthy for the professionals, you can share the flyer. We have shared the flyer in the chat box. You can download and share through your timeline in the Facebook and Instagram or LinkedIn, so other people of your network can be aware about this program. As the program is cost versus quality is very 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 satisfactory. So hopefully there is a wonderful learning journey you are going to start with World Academy with this program, and of course at the end of the program you will be identifying yourself and knew yourself in the areas of financial modeling for sure. With that note, we can conclude it here today. Thank you once again for joining us and staying with us at the last moment, till the last moment. Take care and good night from my side.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Bye.